So a quick update on our video that we recorded on Saturday, where we showed the process of scarification to the seeds of a canna lily. So I came out here, today is Monday, that's literally like less than 2 days, and we already have some sprouts here from our seeds, which is funny because it's never happened this quickly in my experience. It's always been like 5 days to a week, and today, after only a couple of days, if you look really closely, let me see if I can show you here. See, I can take them out of here to get you a better
you should probably
look. Okay, it might be a little. All right, so if you can see here, it's got like a little, it's like a little tongue peeking out of the seed. So that's basically what it looks like. So over the next few days, it's gonna get a little bit longer and a little bit longer, and I'd still say wait, a while. I would say at least 2 weeks before putting them into some dirt. But so far so good. I wonder if it's just like the incredible heat and humidity that we've been having here already that has caused them to germinate so quickly. Didn't know it could happen that fast, but there it is. It works. And I would say that, let me see, I counted maybe, I think it was like 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I did throw in, for good measure, a few of the seeds without doing anything to them, just to see how long it would take for those to germinate. And those are, I think there's 3 of those, and those have not sprouted. So only the ones that we did that process to, and it totally worked. So there you go. Let me know if it's worked for you.